everyone! So for today's video I'll be sharing to you how I make my peanut butter uh, puppies or dog cookies. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of peanut butter. You can do crunchy peanut butter or creamy peanut butter. And then 2 cups of 4-ounce applesauce. You can use banana for this one. Mix them all together. And then let's add 1/2 cup of beef broth. You can use chicken broth or you can use also the vegetable broth. At this moment, I will be using my hand to mix the dough properly. Don't worry, my hands are clean, and make sure you can use also, you can wear gloves if you want to. And then let's add 1 cup of oatmeal. Mix them all together. Keep mixing until the consistency of your dough is not that sticky. At this point, as I added more flour, it's because it is still sticking on my hand. So mix thoroughly. Keep mixing. Okay, so this is how the consistency that I really wanted for my dog treats cookie dough. Scrape the remaining on your fingers kasi they are so expensive nowadays. Okay, now it's time to shape our dough. It's really up to you what kind of shape do you want, but for this video I'll be using I'll just do a circle shape, and then just like a regular cookie for my puppies. Preheat your oven in 350 Fahrenheit and bake your cookies in 18 minutes to 20 minutes or until it is golden brown.
A few moments later.
And our cookie is cooked and ready. Don't you worry, your puppies and your dogs will really love this recipe. This is healthy to them, and this is better than buying dog treats in the grocery store, which is so expensive nowadays. So I am hoping you have a good day watching this video. Bon appetit for your puppies and for your dogs. Let it cool before you serve it to your puppies, okay? And for this one, I make it big because I don't want to give them like more than one. One is enough for them for this cookie.